Very good morning, children. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the new lesson, and before that I want to give you that what type of questions we have arranged in the question paper. MCQ questions I have given, fill in the blanks, and short answers, long answers. So like this I have arranged the pattern, question paper patterns. Tomorrow I will give the pattern. But one thing is that we are not connected directly even in the online classes also. So make sure that you have to start your preparation for the exam, because coming Monday only you have the first assessment. So without any fail you have to read well and prepare for the exams. And even the read the lessons also, middle questions also I have arranged, and true or false I have given. Right, so all those I have given, but the preparation you have to do. If you are not getting anything, means if you are not understanding, means let me know first. And the question answers still I have to give. Sorry for that, guys. I will arrange the question answers and I will send you soon. Okay. So this much. And yesterday we have completed one more lesson. So today in this class I am going to teach you another lesson. That is, we are going to discuss a new lesson, which is related to us only. I can understand that science itself only related to us, the life we are living. That is only the science. So shall we start the new lesson? Okay. That is sensible survival. Sensible survival means what? In this lesson we are going to discuss, or we are going to come to know that how much the sense organs are important for human beings as well as the other animals also. But particularly we are discussing the animals. Okay, the animals, as we know that what are our sense organs? Eye, nose, ear, tongue, and what? Right. That is skin. These are the 5 sense organs which are help us to taste, smell, see, and feel. Sense also what is coming, what we are touching, heat and cold. All those feelings we can come to with the help of skin also, and can help us to differentiate the taste. Okay, so like that, these are 5 sense organs which are present in our body, sense organs, and like this only the animals also have right now. But one thing is, guys, even if we don't have these sense organs, we can survive our life. So sense organ, one I am telling you, okay. So any one of we are not having that by birth, or even we lost that sense organs in the middle of our life also, we can survive our life. Right, so it's not like that. If the sense organs only went, means we will completely lose our life. It's not like that. Even 1 or 2 sense organs are not there in our body, then also the human beings can survive their life easily. But the thing is that these sense organs are very helpful, and these sense organs are very much necessary for the animals, because there are sense organs, that sense organs are helping them to lead a life only, to get the food, to see the danger, like this. One or another way they are very important. They are playing a very important role in their lives. Okay, it's not like that if they lost any sense organs, they can lead a life like us. It's not possible. So in the case of animals, they should have all the sense organs which are necessary to them. Okay, like this. So what I'm saying that so one activity they have given, just see, grazing is there. No, you have seen so many cow and buffaloes are grazing. So like that only, you have to tie your hands back and then you have to graze like this. Okay, otherwise you can say that in your 4 legs you have to walk like that. Okay, ಅಂಬೆಗಾಲು ಇಟ್ಟು ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, so you have to go down on your knees and you have to start to walk, just how the animals are walking, how the animals walk and eat, how they behave, like that only how to walk. So one thing is that just you have done the activity, just you have to be like deep, so you have to eat something. Okay, like this, by bending, how to eat like that only. So by that, on that way only, so someone else is there, he have to surround, he have to round around yourself only. So looking like a danger means deers are eating, deers are grazing, but the one animal that is like tiger or lion, they, that is watching. He is watching you people. So means deers. Okay, like that you have to arrange the group. So after that, how you feel that? Okay, so this is the lion. Okay, it is swimming outside, and these are the deers. Okay, it is visible now. These are the deers where they are grazing. Here they are grazing. Okay, but this lion is looking at this group only. Okay, it is looking at this group only. So how they will what they will have to do? Huh? Right. Are they concentration to they have to look towards their feed, or they have to look towards the danger only? Like that only, no? This is the eyes, the sensible touch, the eye can help them to spot a danger. Even too much for also any animals are there means they will come to know that one danger is there. Danger means that only the animals who are eating them, like the lion, tiger, cheetah, they will eat the deers, no? Like that only. So they will come to know. These will come to know by smell, even by the eyes also. They have very powerful, they will have a very strong eyesight. Like that. So by seeing that, they will come to know something is there, and someone else is looking at us only to eat us. So like that. See, if the eye is not there, means what will happen? The deer can't able to get the danger spot now. They are not able to find out who is standing there and what's going on the 2-4 distance, like that. So this is what how the sensible works and sense organs are working in the animals. They are very necessary for the animals. Okay, and there are some birds also. Most birds, okay, most birds they have the large eyes. That is eagle, vulture, almost all birds. They have a very good sight. Okay, even as we know that the birds are flying in the sky only, no? So they have to get their food on the earth. So if even they are that much far, they will come to know that something is there on the earth to feed them. Okay, they will come to know. They will see. They can easily see that food is there for us, like that. They fly very high in the sky. Their prey is on the ground. They need to spot and catch it. And eagle's eyesight is 4 times sharper. 4 times as sharp as that of a human being with perfect vision. See guys, our eyesight is just I am doing it. 1 means that their eyesight will be 4. Okay, like this. Means the 4 times sharper eyesight the eagles have. As we know, they have to catch prey for the too much distance. No, they are not staying in the earth, staying on the earth. So they have to see from the sky only, and after that they have to come to earth to catch their prey. So it is not possible easily. Even for us only, even too much 2 to 3 steps are increased means we are not able to recognize the person, even the some things. But the eagles easily identify, easily they will recognize something is there on the earth. Some prey is there on the earth to feed itself. Right? So like that they have the 4 times sharper eyesight vision compared to the human beings. And the animals that are active at night also have large eyes with excellent night vision. Their eyes are enormous compared to the size of their bodies. The pupil can then open up to let in as much light as possible. This enables them to see clearly in the dark. See, as we know that the best example for us is wool. We are so much related to wool. The wool is able to see the things in the night also. Even in the darkness also they are clearly see the things. So what will happen? The pupil means this only. So inside, okay, that will be open largely. Okay, and they will see the clear vision of objects of the things in the night also. So this is what they have a very good enormous eyesight compared to the size of their body. Even their body is small, so they have a very good eye, bigger eyes. You can say that bigger eyes they have. So from that, with the help of that eye, they will get their food in the night time also. And everyone says that wool will travel in the night only. This is what the main reason. Okay, they are able to, and they are commonly called as the nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals. Means these are the animals which have the big eyes and they are able to walk in the night time also. Night time alli yaru correct agi adadlikke adwa they have a capacity to walk and see the things clearly. Because for us it is not possible. Is it possible, guys? No, no, children, it's not possible. If we like sit in the dark rooms where even the things we are kept also, we only kept those things. If current went means we are not able to get those things. Right now in our homes only, right? So like that only. But nocturnal animals are those who are easily they will find out the see the objects in the night and they will easily find out their food at the night time. Okay, and all creatures that live deep underwater have very good eyesight, not just to find out but also spot danger. As I told that aquatic animals are there, aquatic organisms who are staying in the underwater. No, they have a very good eyesight, not for just to get their food, get their prey, even to spot a danger. As I told that if something is there, someone else is there, to like that only. If something danger is happening to them, no, they will find out from the too much distance only. This much is for this class, guys. I hope you are enjoying the class. And this is not necessary to write in the fair book. Okay, don't write. And one more thing, guys, you have to by the question answer if possible. I want to start the division also, but it is not possible because you are not on the online also. For that reason, do well and prepare well for the examination. Read all those lessons whatever I have sent in the syllabus. All the best for your preparation. Have a good day.